Hello everyone. Welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studio, your ultimate destination for architectural innovation and home design mastery. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, we want to ask for your support to help this channel grow. Please subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Today, we are exploring a movement that is completely redefining how we think about construction, modern prefabricated house design ideas. But what exactly does this mean? In the simplest terms, modern prefabricated design refers to homes that are built in sections or modules within a climate-controlled factory environment before being transported and assembled on a permanent site. However, the modern aspect elevates this beyond mere convenience. It represents a shift toward high-end aesthetics, sustainable technology, and precision engineering. It is about using industrial efficiency to create bespoke-feeling homes that feature clean lines, expansive glass, and premium materials. Modern prefab isn't just a building method, it's a design philosophy that proves quality and speed can go hand in hand. The benefits of opting for modern prefabricated house designs are rooted in both practicality and superior quality control. Because these homes are constructed indoors, they are never exposed to the damaging effects of rain, snow, or extreme humidity during the framing process, ensuring a much more durable and airtight structure than traditional site-built homes. This precision translates directly into exceptional energy efficiency, significantly lowering your long-term utility costs. Furthermore, the streamlined manufacturing process allows for much faster project completion, often cutting construction time by half, which saves you money on labor and temporary housing. Beyond the logistics, prefab designs offer a level of predictability in cost and timeline that is almost impossible to achieve with traditional builds, providing homeowners with peace of mind and a reduced carbon footprint through minimized material waste. Decorating the exterior of a modern prefabricated house to look high-end involves a strategic play on textures and landscaping to ground the factory-built structure. To make the exterior truly pop, consider a mixed media approach, combining sleek metal panels with warm, natural accents like cedar siding or stone veneer. This contrast breaks up the geometric lines of the modules and gives the home a custom, architectural feel. Lighting is another critical element. Use recessed LED strips along the roofline or uplighting on structural columns to highlight the home's silhouette at night. Additionally, because prefab homes often have sharp, clean edges, softening the perimeter with lush, organic landscaping is essential. Incorporating large-scale planters, a sleek gravel driveway, or a minimalist wraparound deck can seamlessly bridge the gap between the modern structure and the natural environment, making the home look like an intentional masterpiece specifically designed for its lot. The best styles for modern prefabricated house designs are those that lean into the strengths of modular geometry while embracing contemporary living. The industrial minimalist style is incredibly popular, utilizing steel frames and large glass walls to create an open concept, gallery-like atmosphere. For those who want a warmer, more approachable look, the modern Scandinavian style is a top choice, focusing on light-toned woods, functional simplicity, and a strong connection to nature. Another rising trend is the sustainable mid-century style, which takes the iconic flat roofs and wide overhangs of the 1950s and updates them with 21st-century eco-materials and solar integration. These styles work perfectly with prefabrication because their clean, rectangular forms are easy to transport while offering a timeless, sophisticated aesthetic that never goes out of fashion. In conclusion, modern prefabricated house designs are the key to a future where high-end architecture is accessible, sustainable, and efficient. They challenge the old-fashioned idea that factory-built means temporary, proving instead that the most sophisticated homes of the future are being built with the precision of a machine and the soul of an artist. By embracing these innovative designs, you can create a sanctuary that is as kind to the planet as it is beautiful to the eye. If you found these modern prefab ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio for more weekly tours of the world's most innovative homes. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the future of home design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.